Get an amazing business line of credit. What's a credit line? It's an agreement between a financial institution or a private investor establishing a maximum loan balance a borrower can access. A borrower can access funds from their line of credit anytime, long as they don't exceed the maximum set in the agreement, and as long as they meet any other requirements of the finance institution or investor, such as making timely payments. The money does not have to be used for a pre-specified purpose. It's a bit like a credit card without the plastic. Business credit lines have many unique advantages, including flexibility. You only pay interest on what you use, unlike loans where you pay interest on the full amount borrowed. Credit lines can be reused, pay off a balance, and use that available credit again and again. They are the most commonly requested loan type in the business world. But true credit lines are rare and hard to find. Many are also tough to qualify for, requiring good credit, time in business, and financials. But there are other credit cards and lines that few know about. These are available for startups, bad credit, even if you have no financials. Let's look at inventory financing. Use existing inventory as collateral for business financing. You'll need inventory valued at $500,000 or better. You can get approved for a line of credit for 50% of inventory value. Rates are usually 5 to 15% depending on type of inventory. Get funding within 3 weeks or less. How about an accounts receivable credit line? You will need to have $100,000 in revenue. The lender conducts an automated review of bank statements and/or accounting software, like QuickBooks. They're looking for accounts receivables or responsible cash management on your part. You can get to $100,000. Rates are 0.5 to 0.7% per week outstanding. Payment terms are in 12 to 24 weeks. This is an actual real working capital credit line. Typical initial approvals are under $50,000. To get up to $100,000, they typically want to see 2 years of tax returns as well. There are 2 ways to qualify for this program. One way is to have outstanding accounts receivable. These are businesses or individual customers that owe your company money but are paying you back the money they owe. This will show up in your accounting software or tax returns or bank account. The other way to qualify for this program is where you must have consistent revenue of $100,000 or more. This makes lenders more comfortable about loaning money to you. They are more confident that you have the ability to pay it back. For both, you must have been in business for at least a year. Let's recap. There are several types of business lines of credit out there. Try the SBA's 4 Cap Lines programs, or SBA Express, or try inventory financing or account receivables. You can also try to get a revenue credit lending line or cash flow financing, and check out a 0% unsecured credit line program, particularly if you have a startup or are in a high-risk industry. Contact us today to learn more about how you can get an amazing business line of credit.